Clair lets employees access a portion of their already earned wages before payday by connecting directly to employer payroll systems and tracking worked hours in real time. By the end, you'll know how Clair actually releases money, what makes it different from traditional payday loans, and whether it's useful or just another cash flow app in 2026. Start with how it works. Clair connects to your employer's payroll system. It reads your worked hours and calculates how much you've already earned. Now explain what that means. You are not borrowing money from a lender. You are accessing wages you have already earned, but have not been paid yet. Now explain the key requirement. Clair only works if your employer supports it through an integrated payroll or partner system. If your employer is not connected, the app cannot function. Now explain the core feature. The main feature is early wage access. You request a transfer, and Clair gives you access to part of your earned balance before payday. Now, explain the main benefit. The main benefit is cash flow control. You can cover expenses without waiting for your scheduled paycheck date. Now explain the trade-off. Every early withdrawal reduces what you receive on your next payday, because the money is already paid out in advance. Now explain how it differs from loans. Clair is not a credit product. There is no interest rate because you are not borrowing future money. Now explain who benefits most. Clair is most useful for people who have predictable income but face timing gaps between expenses and payday. Now explain who it is not ideal for. It is not ideal if you constantly rely on early access just to stay financially stable. That can signal a deeper budgeting issue instead of a timing tool problem. Now, explain the key limitation. Availability depends entirely on employer participation. Without that connection, Clair cannot be used. Now, summarize the core idea. Clair does not increase income. It only changes when you can access income you already earned. And its value depends completely on employer integration and cash flow needs. One practical next step. .DAO. Check whether your employer supports Clair before downloading it, because eligibility matters more than features. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of money apps without confusion.